Hello, how are you guys? We hope you're having a good day. So welcome back to our channel. So from the amazing response from the last times 2 weeks of Hit and Pirates, this time we are back again with more 2 weeks of crunching and getting better versions of ourselves. So I'm sure you might have got from the title that this time is the queen herself, that is Chloe Ting. Now you might have seen a lot of her challenges, but we have modified it a bit and the results are amazing.
So as Shivani said that we tried Chloe Ting's workout this week. Previous one was hit by self, and this week we tried Chloe Ting's workout. That was also hit type of workout, but it almost covered all parts of the body.
Also, one more thing, take the workout at your pace. No one else knows your pace better than you do. So if you feel her video is going a little faster, then you can take your pace. If you feel that particular move is too intense for you, then take a low intensity move. And I swear I've done it. I do it almost every day. If I feel I don't like doing jumping jacks for the warm-up, if it's too much as a warm-up to me, then I just do the low intensity one, which actually pops at the side of a video. So it's fine, it's normal. Just take your pace and just do it as you like, because I'm sure if you're consistent enough, if you've done those 2 weeks, or even if you're starting right now, after a few days you are going to feel a lot more better. So just don't get demotivated if you can't catch the pace. It's not necessary to be at that. Your pace matters.
So one more thing I want to add that many guys think that we can't do women's workout. Like this workout is totally of women, but it's not like that. I'm here to break the stereotype. Like if you do this workout like for only say 5 to 6 days, it almost targets all your body. It is as intense as you want or as light as you want. So it is not like that only men based workout or women based workout. It's for all gender, and it's really impressive. So talking about changes observed, so almost after 2 weeks of workout, I realized that my metabolism has increased a lot. As mentioned earlier, there is also low impact. Like if you don't want to go that hard, you can do a low impact workout. And so she has managed all the things beautifully. Like for beginners also it is effective, and who is doing the workout from the long time, it is also effective. So here only thing is that consistency. Like consistency is the key, and if your body wants rest, you can do 2 days rest in a week, but you need to be consistent for seeing the good result.
So yes, by now you might be knowing that I'm not a fan of cardio, but I would not step back from mentioning the fact that these 4 weeks have made me so much strong. Yeah, I did it for 4 weeks. I hate lunges, but I think I did lunges almost every single day. That was annoying, like for the first few days, but now your girl can do it really well. So yeah, that's the thing. So talking about it, don't ask me how many inches I lost, because I am not I'm not going to measure it, or I'm not going to compare like before after. The simple reason is that my diet has not changed. Okay, I keep eating. I eat for 4, 5, or I don't know how many times in a day. So it makes no sense to just give you any fake result that, oh, I lost so many inches. And also because it really varies a lot from body to body. But I admit the fact that I have become a lot more stronger. My stamina has increased a lot in these 4 weeks when it comes to doing cardio. My metabolism rate is great, but it does make me feel a lot more hungry. So yeah, there are a lot of other benefits. And talking about the challenges or the weird things I observed, see now, no, not many people will tell you this, but this one day I ended up feeling very fatigued and very, very tired. So I didn't do the workout for that day, but I don't know why that happened out of nowhere. And you should listen to these signals from their body. It's very different from being lazy, okay? You really understand that no, your body just can't do it. So that is your indication. Your body is indicating you to please, take a break. So at those days or during those times, you must take breaks. And we did take breaks. Like, we didn't work out on Sundays. Like, I never work out on Sundays, okay? But then this particular day I had to take a break because I respect my body. So yeah, so you should do these workouts because they are going to be bomb, okay? I'm not kidding. Basically, Chloe Ting has this thing like one workout for 14 days and it gives you results. But I don't have that patience. I can't do one thing for even 2 days. I bet I really don't like doing that. So we did 14 different workouts. The link is in the bio, in the description, not in the bio. So do check it out and I'm sure you're going to love it. If you are a beginner, you are at an intermediate level, or you want to step to an advanced level, it is fit for everyone. Even if you're someone who wants to start your workout journey, I'm sure it's going to help you out. Our workouts are simply versatile. You're looking for pilates, you're looking for some good cardio, you're looking for some good HIIT sessions. It's gonna leave you crunched and so good and so sore for the rest of the days. So yes, we hope you enjoy it, and if you like it, do let us know in the comment section below. Also tell us if you have any recommendations or your feedbacks, or if you tried it. Yes, until then, stay safe and take care.